this World Cup final.
In by Coleman. Out to Mbappe.
Handball.
Shout for handball. He hasn't, has he? He has! Of an epic World Cup final. Mbappe. Into the galaxy of greats! And France alive again! This is epic and some. Messi 2, Mbappe 3. The first World Cup final hat-trick since Hurst 66. Is there time for one more? France drive. Mbappe drives. In by Mbappe. Colomboigny! Up into the air by Paredes. Coaxed forward by Fernandez, coaxed forward by Messi. This is Lautaro Martinez! And the flag is up. Breathe. Forward by Canate. Colomboigny! What a stop! What a stop by Martinez! Dybala, they could counter here, Argentina. It's Messi, he has players beyond them, and Messi has rolled it through, and Martinez waits in the middle. Lautaro Martinez wide.
He's panicked, hasn't he, Martinez? He's just... Well, that's pressure.
When does this end? Mbappe. Held up by Romero, but not for long. Kylian Mbappe, and still.
He thought about having a shot from a tighter angle, and then thought, no, I'll duck in again. What a dribble. What a game.
Thank you. What can you say but thank you? For surely one of the greatest football matches that has ever been played, encompassing stellar moments from some of the greatest footballers who have ever attempted to play this game, with their final penalty. This time, having twice already scored from the spot, and 3 times in all, having scored, Mbappe steps up first. And Mbappe rattles it in. On his day of no error.
How do you do that? How do you do this in these circumstances?
Coleman. Great stop! Martinez is punching the air again! Massive character, massive moment! Dybala down the middle. Argentina are on the cusp. Firm, low, telling. Nearly there. So very nearly there. He must. He has. Montiel. Argentina, champions of the world. The little boy from Rosario, Santa Fe, has just pitched up in heaven. He climbs into a galaxy of his own. He has his crowning moment, and of course he is not alone. And one feels for Mbappe, who scored a World Cup final hat-trick and lost. How can that be?
Oh. You always thought that perhaps Argentina's name was on the trophy. That
he's not yet 24 years old. He has a World Cup winner's medal. He will soon have a World. He was beautiful. He was the point of difference. He has always been the point of difference. And the debate can rage on if you like. But as he falls in love with the object in the world that his heart most desired, it is hard to escape the supposition that he has rendered himself today the greatest of all time. And in 2022, the world champions are Argentina.